G'day, welcome to this episode of Tim Bork Show. We're going to have a look at something to do with this game. I think there's a problem with it. Let's have a look on here in Steam. This is happening because I noticed I was getting like errors in the game for loading and files and corruption and stuff. And I thought, I should have a look around in Steam and see if I can fix that. And there's this thing to verify the files. So I do this now every time after I play, and every single time it says files have failed and it has to re-download them. Now I've checked all my other Steam games by doing validations on them, and none of my other Steam games, like all these ones here that are in bold, they're all the ones installed on this computer, that none of them actually ever have errors. It's only this 0K game that has the problems. And it's installed on the same drive as my operating system, which is a Kingston NVMe. It's a brand name, it's not a crappy one. Look, 2 files have validated. It always says this. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's 7 or 9 files. Sometimes the file it has to re-download is bigger than that. But see, it just re-downloaded 9.6 kilobytes of files for this game. So what I think is that those hackers who are cheating to win the game are causing file corruption on my thing on my game, and this is evidence of that. Now I've tried running a program called like PeerBlock, right, which is supposed to stop some of the hackers and stuff, but the game won't load at all because it won't connect. So therefore PeerBlock basically thinks their server is a hacker site because they've got it on their list, and this program actually stops 0K from running, whereas other games I play, I don't know, like Star Trek Online, still work when I have PeerBlock open because they're not, that is a more legit game company and they are not on a blacklist. Like 0K is on a blacklist for hacking. Their server is already for it to be on the PeerBlock. You know, either that or the ports they're using are unsafe and something that people use for hacking normally. Because this does also block UDP ports, not just TCP ports, and you know, you can block UDP or HTTP. Right now I see it says HTTP is allowed, and click block on that, and you know, it's supposed to restrict even more stuff, but mostly on the interwebs, websites. Anyway, that's the first part. Now I've also discovered they use cheat codes, and I'm going to investigate this cheat code. I did a bit of a Google search, Bing search actually, and I saw that if you just type in exclamation mark cheat in a multiplayer battle that you created, now I'm showing you how the game won't connect, and instead it's telling me a hijacked IP is blocked. So PeerBlock is identifying 0K server as a hijacked IP. Just more evidence that there's something seriously wrong with this game and the developers, and I think they're actually cheaters. When I came here and spoke to them all about how I think they're cheating, the people that are on the top, like that are the admins, one person whose name was Staff and some other people, they were all like adamant that there's no way to cheat in this game. And then I search on Bing and I find actually on their Wikipedia, like I kept saying, you're using some sort of third-party cheater app. They were all saying no, because actually they don't need to, because the cheater app is built into the goddamn game, and all you have to do is type in cheat and it will pop up with the dialog box button, extra options to cheat, and all the things that I thought, like them being able to build faster for no reason, is exactly what the cheat does. And slowing me down so that I don't have enough resources is exactly what the cheat does. They're totally deceptive, and I think they're full of shit, the people here. But anyway, on a nice note, I did beat them a bunch of times, and I got to level 22 really super fast. I've got all the things that actually have won heaps of times. If you have a look at my Steam account, I have taken screenshots of when I get the wins, even though I haven't been putting videos of them all. So anyway, so if we go to custom game, and I just go host game, we'll do co-op. Let's just test this cheat feature, because actually we don't need to wait for somebody else. Alright. Alright, so this is just some random thing. There's nothing in here about that. There's a local widget, but I don't think that's the same thing. Alright, let's just have a look at full visibility. Alright, start. We have to wait for it to finish downloading. Alright, here we go. Let's try this cheat code that they're probably all using against me. So when I just click on random, like, you know, match thing, I think it's putting me into these rooms with people that people have created that means they can cheat. Maybe I need to enable boss mode or something. I'm just not sure if I did that. So let's just test this, see if it works. Look here on active mods here, you don't get anything about that because I haven't done it yet. Oops, hovercraft. Okay. Now, let's try this. Press enter. Exclamation mark. Cute. And actually I should get a button up here. I don't think it worked. Maybe I was supposed to do something else. Maybe I didn't type it right. Hang on. Well, there's no way to enable boss mode. It said you had to have boss mode enabled for me. On the other game, I remember right-clicking there and seeing boss mode. I remember that actually. For the, you know, the other one, bar, which is basically the same game. They're just two versions of the same open source game. Alright, there you go. See, this is what it says on their website. Cheats. Oh, I forgot to put the S there. Or it says that way if it's single player. We'll just try that again though. I shouldn't have exited out of it. I've got my computer on power saving mode. So it's not the fastest right now, but oh look, somebody actually joined. What's going on here? I didn't realise I was starting a match with somebody. I didn't notice somebody had jumped into it. I was just testing. Oh no. Yes, go do it. And there you go. Cheats. Look. Ah. What does all this mean? Quick build. Construction becomes free and completely nearly instant. That's cool. Global vision. Yeah, I already had that on. Global spec control. Allow spectators to control all teams. Oh my god, I hate spectators. Allow FPS without cheats. What does this mean? Okay. Gain 100 metal. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Are they spawning too? Oh, okay. Yep, screw you, AI. I just killed it with one button. Oh, I killed everybody. Whoops. Resurrect. Rex for their former owners. Okay. We're resurrected. What's all this? What the fuck? Okay. This is weird, isn't it? Look, there's suddenly all these nukes. Oh, we just crashed the game. Oh, and that's the other thing, it crashes all the time. Now that I've done this, and it says, do you want to report the bug? And you go there, and it doesn't really do it. Like, yeah, okay, that's the bug, whatever. But it doesn't... If you click new, they want you to sign up. I'm not signing up for this. It's probably some sort of hacker website. I know it's an open source website, but you know, I'm being facetious. I am basically calling Linux and open source people hackers. That's what they call themselves in an affectionate term. Anyhow, let's just go back to view game library, properties, installed files, verify integrity of files. Let's just check this again just to see if that corrupted files, because I bet it did. So basically all those times they tried to teach me a lesson in their custom rooms to show me that they weren't cheating, and then they won and it looked like they did cheat. I believe they did cheat because they used that and it was right there. All they had to do was type in exclamation mark cheats. And literally from now on, every time if I just create my own rooms for the rest, I can just like level up super fast now by doing it that way, obviously. Alright? This game has like zero reason to keep... Oh, I was right, it corrupted another file. You know, either that. maybe somebody was trying to hack my again, because I'm obviously now very unpopular in this game because I have been calling them all a pack of cheaters on YouTube and in the chats. So, you know, I think they're trying to hack me now, and I'm also convinced that, you know, they might have done somebody's trying to do something to my game to make it so that I'm always like never have any resources and it's always super slow and bad for me, you know, because when I first started playing it wasn't as hard, and then after I started uploading videos calling them all cheaters, like they're all like, you know, basically I've got all the hardcore biggest cheaters are like constantly trying to battle me and beat me, like they're trying to humiliate me or whatever. But it's like, yeah, okay, I build as fast as I can. I get 4 of these metal extractors done, and they have done the entire map and what would take an hour normally to do. And then they're saying I'm going too slow, but I'm going as fast as humanly possible and as fast as it will go. Like, you know, they somehow are able to build 3 times as much or 4 times as much army, twice as, you know, 10 times faster as well. Every single time someone tries to prove to me that they're not cheating, all I do is think they're still cheating. So, and now that I've seen all this extra stuff, and I haven't even done more research, like, I mean, that's as far as my research has gone. I bet there probably still is some sort of third-party app. Somebody in the chat did admit to me also that they have something called, what was it called? Widgets. Cheat widgets. And that enables them to play the game faster, or something. Cheats, but it didn't really work. I don't know. Maybe we'll just type in widgets. Widget configuration. Oh, look, it's an extra program you download. So whatever this thing is, it's obviously some hardcore tool that's for the elite players, cheaters, right? So yes, there are ways to customize it to make it easier to do. Probably, maybe it runs macros and does 50 things at once for you or something like that. That's probably what they've got. Anyway, I'm not backing down. I mean, I'm reasserting my claims that they're cheaters in this game. And it's not because I'm just terrible at it, it's because they literally are cheaters. Because when I get somebody who isn't cheating, I have a 50% chance of beating them. But the rest of them are cheating. Especially anybody who is like got admin access, you know, to the game. They're definitely cheating. They probably have extra ability to use that cheat thing, that cheat widget, you know, wherever they want. Even in... I bet they can use it even in rooms that they didn't create, and if they're an admin. All the admins are on the superest highest of level in this game, and they're all definitely cheating, because I've played against them, and you can't be better than the AI when the AI is impossible. The AI does 50 things at once, so how can you do 50 things at once? Human brain can only do one thing at once. Stop bullshitting me. Fucking bullshit. You know, I'm actually a super fast clicker. I'm actually good at all that stuff. I've actually been playing these games for decades. I've been gaming since Master System, Sega Master System. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video about cheaters and their cheat codes and cheat app that's already built into this stupid open source game that they pretended had no cheats. Hope you enjoyed the video. Live long, prosper, resistance is futile. You will be assimilated. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.